Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Gardens. My name is Mary, in case you're new here, and the past couple of years I've been sharing home tour videos of my cousins Linda and Jerry, their home and how they decorate. Now they do a different theme every single year, so if you'd like to see some of their past years, I'll put them down below here in the description box for this video. In any case, this year, the theme is Nativities and Angels. And Linda says that she likes to be sure to emphasize the real reason that we celebrate Christmas each year. And I think you'll really enjoy this video. Now, Linda had an accident in the summer and fell off a ladder. She broke her ankle, her kneecap, her fibula, and her tibia. All were broken. She had to have surgery. She had a couple of plates put in and multiple screws, and was in a wheelchair for quite a while. And then Jerry also had knee surgery around the same time. And they were both laid up, but came through it strong and powerful enough to decorate their home for Christmas. And it was beautiful. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll just jump right into the tour. In case you have missed the past couple of years when I did tours of my cousin's house, here's a view of the outside of their home again. And this year they have placed their nativity scene here on the front lawn for the whole neighborhood and everyone to see. And guys, Linda and Jerry created this scene all by themselves. They cut out the figures and they painted them and so on to produce this beautiful nativity. Next, I wanted to show you a close-up of the front door of their home and the lovely arrangements that Linda created on either side of her door here. As we enter the house, next to the front door is this beautiful ceramic Christmas tree that Linda made, and one of her nativity sets that she collected while traveling. Let's take a look at the living room, which is to the right of the front door. And in this room, you can see this beautiful Christmas tree that does turn. Isn't it gorgeous? This is my favorite tree, actually, of all of those in the home. And guys, it is a flock tree with these beautiful ornaments and different embellishments that really make it sparkle. And below the tree is another nativity scene. Look at this one, isn't it special? I love the angel hanging from the stable above baby Jesus. I wanted to share a close-up of this beaded ribbon that Linda found for her Christmas tree decorations. Isn't it fantastic? On top of the piano in the living room is another nativity scene with these darling little angels that Linda collected also. You'll see them around the house. And this nativity has sort of a primitive wall like you would see actually in Israel. Now we're entering the dining room. And I'll bring you over here to see another gorgeous nativity scene. And as we come closer, we'll get a good view of Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus and the wise men and everyone who was there at the first Christmas. To go along with the angel theme, here's a beautiful print of a lovely angel. And then we come to the dining room Christmas tree, which features an angel on the top and icicles all throughout the tree and lots of colorful ornaments. Isn't it pretty? Now over here we have angels with nativity scenes as well. Lots of little angels scattered around on top of that cabinet. And now, as the centerpiece on the dining room table, there is a nativity scene here. Take a look at these angels. Isn't that precious? Linda and Jerry have their stairs lined with beautiful angels. Sort of looks like a stairwell to heaven, don't you think? Very pretty. And here's a view of the stairwell, looking from the top on down to the bottom. With Linda's theme of nativities and angels, here is another lovely setting in the hallway of her home. Here we have many more angels and a very small nativity scene. This is a very narrow hallway that connects the kitchen and dining room in the house, and you can see there's a very narrow cabinet that they have managed to squeeze into that space. And every year Linda and Jerry decorate it very beautifully, and here of course, because of our theme, it has a very special nativity scene with a collection of angels again. Here's a quick stop in the kitchen to take a look at the cooking tree that Linda has in her kitchen and decorates each year. Lastly, let's walk into the family room where there is a beautiful arrangement on the mantle, and look at these gorgeous angels. Aren't they something? And also the small ones. And then this lovely nativity scene to go along with this year's theme. Here you can see me pointing out the mantle scarf. Isn't it lovely? It even has angels in the design of that mantle scarf. Now we are taking a close look at the Christmas tree that is in the family room, and you can see it is quite colorful, which I love. And here is the nativity below the tree We used to always do nativities below our tree in my home when I was growing up. I love that. And guys, I want to stop and say thank you for coming by my channel and joining me for this lovely tour of my cousin's house. I've actually lost count of the nativity scenes in the video. How about you? Were you counting? Leave me a comment about the video and what you like the best in all of the decorations this year. And Merry Christmas, many blessings to everyone.